Turn your slides into an editable video with an AI presenter in VisionStory. Turn your slides into a narrated video with an AI presenter while keeping every page editable. Let's build one. Drag in a PowerPoint or Keynote file. VisionStory turns each slide into a video scene and uses speaker notes as the starting narration. PowerPoint animations and transitions are not imported. Add a short instruction for the audience, tone, or key message. Turn AI script off to keep your speaker notes, or turn it back on to draft narration for every slide. Choose a target length to guide the first draft. It is an estimate, not an exact runtime, because the slides, narration, and later edits all affect the final duration. Your plan determines the maximum slide count. Click Create. VisionStory analyzes the deck, drafts the narration, and places the presenter where important content stays visible. The editor brings slide navigation, the live composition, page narration, and AI assistant into one workspace. Click any thumbnail to open that slide. Its composition and narration move with it, so every page stays easy to review. VisionStory suggests a presenter position for each slide, helping avoid text and charts. Select the presenter whenever you want to refine the layout yourself. Drag to reposition the presenter and resize the frame to fit the slide. You can switch the character, choose a square or circular frame, keep the background transparent, or add a color. Use more to copy the layout to another slide, hide the presenter, or apply the current setup across the deck. Choose one voice for the whole presentation. Preview it first, then apply it to the deck when it sounds right. Edit each slide's narration directly to match the content on that page. Add a half-second pause where the delivery needs more space, then preview the page.
Start with one clear audience and promise one useful outcome.
Instead of text-to-speech, you can record narration for an individual slide with up to 3 minutes per recording. Use AI Assistant to generate, polish, or shorten scripts. It understands the current slide and can update one page or the entire deck. Review each suggestion, then accept, copy, retry, or revert it. Attach a PDF when you need more context. Open Preview to hear the full narration and watch the presentation move from slide to slide.
Small businesses do not need a large production team to make a useful.
Check the pacing, presenter placement, and how each page flows into the next. When everything is ready, click Generate. Review the title and credit estimate. Choose the resolution available on your plan. Advanced and Ultra include 2K. Keep email notification on if you want an alert when the video is ready. In today's tutorial, we turned an existing deck into an AI presentation, refined the presenter and narration on each slide, used AI Assistant to improve the script, and reviewed the full sequence before generation. Upload your slides and create your first AI presentation with VisionStory.